Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.